Hey there, politics enthusiasts. Today, I've got some juicy details on the ongoing political drama in Zimbabwe. Advocate Thabani Mpofu, a key figure in Zimbabwe's opposition, has just dropped a bombshell about the 2023 presidential election results. So, here's the deal. Mpofu is challenging the results that were put forward by Freeman Chari, a software engineer based in the US. Chari claimed he had analyzed data from 84% of the V11 forms. These are the official vote tallying forms, by the way. He concluded that President Emerson Mnangagwa won the election with a solid majority. But Mpofu isn't buying it. He says that Chari's figures are identical to the ones released by the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission, which he believes were compromised. There's a lot of skepticism around how this data was compiled and whether it can be trusted, and it doesn't stop there. A UK-based lawyer, Brighton Mutabuka, has weighed in too. He admits that Chari faced tough conditions, like voter intimidation and logistical nightmares. Mutabuka is pushing for more resources to support democratic efforts in Zimbabwe. He's also hinting that they might revisit these issues when the time is right for criminal charges. This whole situation underscores the ongoing political tensions in Zimbabwe. The opposition is still fighting tooth and nail, challenging the legitimacy of the electoral process. They're pointing out irregularities and a severe lack of transparency. But wait, there's more. Mpofu has also called on the Southern African Development Community, or SADC, to condemn some pretty wild statements made by Zimbabwe National Army Commander, Lieutenant General Anselm Sanyatwe. Sanyatwe talked about command voting, suggesting the army would ensure the ruling ZANU-PF party stays in power indefinitely. That's a big no-no for democracy. In a letter to SADC, Mpofu urges the organization to pressure President Mnangagwa to demilitarize the electoral process and respect the will of the people. He's also calling out the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission for doing nothing about it and demanding the release of political prisoners. And as if that wasn't enough, Mpofu is also representing 14 CCC members of parliament and 9 senators in a Supreme Court appeal. These lawmakers were expelled from their party and recalled from parliament by Interim Secretary General Sengezo Chabangu. Mpofu argues the High Court didn't consider the voters' will and claims Chabangu is an imposter. The outcome of this Supreme Court case could shake up Zimbabwe's political landscape as we head towards the by-elections on December 9th, 2023. So, keep your eyes peeled, folks. The political drama in Zimbabwe is far from over. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more updates and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay informed.